6:41 this morning, and no, it's not an April Fool's joke. There could be a few flakes of snow coming down in the northern part of the state. Now, I will say most of this is evaporating. It's a pretty dry air mass, and it's kind of having trouble holding together. But a little bit of a rain-snow mix, maybe a few ice pellets mixed in. That's a possibility for the first day of April. Pretty remarkable. It's a very cold air mass across the state. It will be getting warmer in the days ahead, but today is still going to be a chilly day. And though it's certainly not going to be as wet as yesterday was, there's still the opportunity here for a few showers. This morning, a little bit of drizzle and sprinkle activity. If I had to pick the best chance of seeing rain today, I would say it looks like late morning, early afternoon, kind of around lunchtime. Notice that we're not seeing green all over the map. It is going to be isolated showers, and I do think there'll be a little bit more of the showers closer to the coast, and it's going to be a drier day the farther west you live. Notice how cloudy it still is at lunchtime. If we're going to see a little bit of sun, it's going to be very late this afternoon, and I don't even think everybody will. I think the best chance of seeing a little bit of sun is going to be Star, Hidalgo County. Probably going to stay cloudy all day long, especially near the coast, where even at 5 o'clock there could still be a stray shower, a little bit of drizzle. Finally, early this evening, though, I think the rain is completely done. The clouds trying to thin out, but not succeeding. In fact, I think whatever little clearing does occur, it's going to be back to pretty cloudy skies to start the day tomorrow. But I do think that we're going to be dry during the day tomorrow, and overall there is going to be a little bit more sun. Now notice there's not going to be a lot of sun tomorrow. The clouds are going to win out, but notice a few more thin spots showing up than what we're seeing today. So we'll call it mostly cloudy tomorrow. And tomorrow the winds are going to be out of the east instead of the north, so we will be quite a bit warmer tomorrow. We'll be back to the low 70s tomorrow, and then the warm-up will continue into the day on Wednesday. So what about rain? We saw a lot of it on Sunday. Are there going to be any more days like Sunday? Well, we're looking at rainfall for the next week, and there are going to be some places that are going to see a lot of rain, like Northern California. There could be a flood threat there in the days ahead, and there could even be some isolated flooding in parts of the southeast. But notice those shades of red not showing up over us. In fact, our rain is certainly going to be there. We do have multiple small and medium rain chances that will add up, but when they add up, we're looking at rainfall totals for the next week that are probably going to range from about 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, maybe some places picking up an additional inch of rain. But we saw in many places an inch of rain in one day yesterday, so we don't anticipate another day like Sunday with a washout of a day. That is not in the forecast, but more rain is expected over the next week, just not a lot at any one time. Cloudy today, isolated showers, but not nearly as wet as yesterday. There will be breaks in activity, a little bit more rain closer to the coast today, and a chilly day. It's only around 58, and to make it feel even a little bit chillier, it's going to be breezy with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Now, the winds will die down after sunset tonight, and I don't think it's going to be as cold tonight as last night, but still on the chilly side, still below normal, 53. It does look like a dry night with mostly cloudy skies, but those winds being out of the north and light means no wind chill factor. And check out tomorrow, the low 70s coming back. Now, we're dry during the day tomorrow, but a few showers could return Tuesday night and linger into Wednesday as a warm front works over us. That shifts our winds back to the southeast, so that means the 80s come back. And finally, with a dry day, with quite a bit of sunshine, I think on Thursday, just a partly cloudy day, we may be in the upper 80s, getting close back to 90 again. So if you like the chilly weather, you better enjoy it, because it will be warming back up. And then we're going to stay in the 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It might cool a little bit back to the mid-80s. We're dry during the day Friday, but we have to watch Friday night, and particularly during the day Saturday. That could end up being our best chance of rain. Scattered showers, even the possibility of some thunderstorms. Fortunately, it does look like right now Sunday is going to be our dry day this weekend. The only chance of rain on Sunday is very late Sunday night. One more news coming up in just a bit.